Why could the Devendra Fadnavis government not prevent the concert from being cancelled? Why did that assurance from Devendra Fadnavis ring so hollow with the organizers? Joining us now is Shaina NC. She just stepped out of her dinner. Thank you very much, Shaina, for joining us in the newsroom. I want to understand what kind of an equation you have with your alliance partner, the Shiv Sena, that they hold out this threat. The Chief Minister says, don't worry, I will back you. But the organizers are more prepared to believe the alliance partner that is threatening cancellation than the Chief Minister who says, I will protect you.
Rahul, I think it's very important for you to understand that in a democracy, people are entitled to opinions. As a state government, we don't have an opinion. And our Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, has said on record, if there are legitimate permissions, and in this case there are, stalwarts such as Ghulam Ali Saab has been to India on multiple occasions. Our state government is going to give the required permissions vis-a-vis this concert, and at the same time ensure that the law and order is maintained.
But Shaina,
I think it's imperative
Shaina,
to
all of
understand
what
that
you're
there will
saying
be segments of society
sounds
that
hollow in wake of the fact that that concert has been cancelled. All of this would have sounded very strong if the organizers had said, we will disregard the protesters, we believe what Devendra Fadnavis is saying, and we will do the concert despite the protesters.
By the state government. And Rahul, you must understand that Devendra Fadnavis has had the guts as well as the courage of conviction to say repeatedly today that the government is clearly with the organizers, will provide them the same kind of security that they would require, and they must go ahead with the concert. Please do understand, this word ban has been misused by segments and sections of society. If anyone has an opinion, they're welcome to agitate, but there's no question of the state compromising because a certain group is saying that something should go on or not go on. You take a similar example of yesterday and the play Agnes of God, and people were putting the ball in our court suggesting that the state government had a role to play. We had none. The organizers had a legitimate permission given by the censor board, and all we said is you must go on. The state will give you the security that is required. If there are segments that have a problem with it, they must go into appeal vis-a-vis the censor board or take a legal recourse. Now, I don't think you can have a more proactive government than this, and Devendra Fadnavis
but what does it say? What does it say about politics in Mumbai? But what does it say about politics in Mumbai that the organizers of this concert are not prepared to believe the assurance that the Chief Minister is holding out? They are more concerned about the threat of the Shiv Sena than about the assurance of the Chief Minister.
Well, you need to ask the organizers that. The organizers of the play, for example, had no problem at all. I'm sure this concert would also have absolutely no problem because our Chief Minister happens to be the Home Minister. At the same time, please do understand, I don't think a maestro like Ghulam Ali Saab needs a certificate from anyone to suggest where he's coming or where he's performing. This is not the first time he's performed. And the same party that is agitating, maybe the late Balasaheb Thackeray, would have also welcomed him, and welcomed him because of his sheer talent of uniting people through music. So I think we need to understand that our government is extremely clear. You have legitimate permissions, you are welcome to perform, the state will give you the security, and we will not let this become a law and order situation, and that is exactly what
I'm going to leave it over there. All of what you're saying sounds right, but it sounds hollow because of the fact that the concert has been cancelled. If the concert had been held, imagine if Fadnavis had come there, said, I will come and attend the concert, my police force will be there, the commissioner will be in attendance, and we will ensure that vandals, goons, anyone who's protesting and threatening violence against Ghulam Ali and the concert organizers, their plans will be foiled. That would have sent a strong message, not the manner in which the organizers bow down because of the threat held out by the Shiv Sena.